Wow, it is so good. The meat is so tender, and the veggies, oh my goodness.
So welcome back to our channel. We are now in Budapest. We're going to be here for the next couple days, and we are going to be visiting some of their Christmas markets. So Budapest is known for their Christmas markets, especially this one behind us, which is the beautiful St. Stephen's Basilica. The market here in their square has been named one of the best Christmas markets for the past 4 years. So we're really looking forward to checking that out.
And see if it is the best one.
So we also plan on visiting a few other markets here in Budapest and trying some different food. So since we're in a different country we've never been to, I'm looking forward to seeing what different food and different crafts and things like that they have.
I have seen some really unique crafts here at this market, like these ceramic flowers and some other booths, and it is just so different. I have never seen these kind of crafts at any other market. I just picked out a couple of cute ceramic flowers at that booth, and I think they're gonna go so well with my ceramic flowers that I got from Poland. This market has got some of the most gorgeous crafts, and I think it's because they mainly focus on handmade crafts instead of the little gitchy Christmas crafts that some markets sell. So if you are looking for some really authentic, cute crafts and handmade crafts, this is the market to come to.
So this market is not just in front of the Basilica, but also extends to the sides and around in some of the side streets around the Basilica. And this market opened on November the 15th and stays open until January the 1st. And this market each day is open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay, so we just bought some yummy looking treats. They are Hungarian cakes. We got one, just a Nutella, a pistachio, and I got a couple of marzipan ball truffles. One is Raffaello, which is coconut. If you can't tell, we really like coconut. And the other one is a cake. And I don't remember what it was called, but do you remember? Esterhazy. We'll put it in how it's spelled, but we got some of that. We're going to try these later, though, because we need to get something savory in our bellies before we try something sweet. This market had so many food options, lots of things to fill you up and satisfy your sweet tooth. All right, so we are gonna try the goulash soup, and it is in a delicious bread bowl. I have been seeing people eating this all day since we've been here, and I'm like, that is what I'm getting when it's time for lunch. So here we go. And it's got yummy potatoes and carrots and just delicious looking meat. These are hot. It's very good. Wow, it is so good. The meat is so tender, and the veggies, oh my goodness. I am so happy. This is so good. And look at that steam. Oh, it's like I'm taking a steam bath.
So while Maria was getting her bread bowl, I got a chicken flatbread. It had some other name. I have no idea how to say it, but it looked pretty good. So I'm going to give this a try. It's very good. The flatbread is so soft. It's not really like a flatbread bread. It's like more like almost like a very thin like pancake or almost like a crepe or something.
Is it better than the one we had yesterday at Vienna?
Yeah, I think it's better than the one we had at Vienna.
Okay. As always, you have to get a cup of glühwein when you come to the Christmas markets. Unfortunately, I do not think the markets here do mugs, which is a big bummer because I love collecting the mugs. but the cup is nice too. I mean, it's super cute, but I'm not gonna take this home. So that's one thing that I have noticed this market does not do. The classic mugs. This delicious treat is called a chimney cake. We've had something similar to this in Prague. They call it a Trailblazin, but this looks so good. Look at the steam. They put it on a rolling pin and they put it over coals and they bake it that way. This is a gingerbread flavor. You can also get it filled with chocolate or cream. Sometimes I do ice cream. But we really like it just plain with cinnamon sugar. This treat is so popular, but it is so yummy. Everyone loves it. It's a very simple treat. It's not too fancy. It's one of my favorite things to get when we see them. We always try to get one.
One thing that is nice about this market is that all of the booths take card. So since they have a different currency here, you don't have to worry about withdrawing money from the ATM. Pretty much every booth we've been to has, taking card or they only took card. So I think we've pretty much walked around the whole market. We've gotten our fill of food and treats, and we've done our fair share of shopping. So next we're going to head back to the Basilica behind us, and we actually got tickets to go inside, go up to the top of the dome, and see the Christmas market from the viewing platform up there. So next we're going to head behind us to the Basilica. I bought tickets, which you can get them in person at the ticket office on the outside of this square, or you can also get them online, I think for a little bit cheaper. But for each adult, it was around equivalent to like €15 for the all-inclusive ticket. We can go up to the viewing platform and go up to the top and look out. So those are the tickets that I got. Children 6 and under are free. So next we're going to go do that. You don't have to have a scheduled time. Just get your tickets and you can just go inside.
Okay, we made it to the top of the Basilica, and the view up here is stunning. You can see the Ferris wheel, you can see the Parliament building all lit up. It is beautiful. This is a must if you come visit Budapest. Yeah.
So we're not done with the Christmas markets yet. We still are going to head to the Vörösmarty Square market. That one is just a 10-minute walk from this one. And that is the other big market here in Budapest. I believe that is the oldest market here in the city. And so we're going to go check that one out next. So this market opened on November 16th, and it stays open until January 1st. And each day it is open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. or on Friday and Saturday night until 10 p.m.
I am on the hunt to get some hot chocolate. I do like the blue vine, but I'm really wanting hot chocolate for some reason. So I'm gonna try to find some. So let's go looking. I found some hot chocolate. It's really tasty. They even asked if I wanted whipped cream on top, and I said, absolutely. So good.
One thing that is better about this market here is that there's a lot more seating for eating. So after you get your food, there's a lot more places to sit down and just enjoy a meal and not just have to stand up. It seemed like they had The booths that were selling food were really big, and they had lots and lots of options. So they had goulash, they had all kinds of grilled meats and sausages. They had langosh, the chimney cakes, all of that typical food that we saw at the other markets. They had that here, and even a few different things also. So we just finished walking around this market, and I think this is also a great market. It had a lot of the same type of vendors, a lot of the same crafts, but a few things that were different. That's pretty much it for this market. We didn't really get as much food since we already had so much food at the St. Stephen's Basilica market. We did get some more glühwein, more mulled wine, and the hot chocolate, which was great. But next, we're going to head back to the St. Stephen's Basilica to try to catch the light show. So at that market, every 30 minutes after 5:30 p.m., they do a light show on the Basilica. Okay, so we made it back to the St. Stephen's Basilica. We have less than a minute until the light show, which will be displayed right behind us here on the church. So today we are checking out another Christmas market. This one is a smaller market, probably about 30 minutes away from the city center of Budapest. And this is the Advent Óbuda market. And this one is, it opens November 29th and runs till December 22nd. This market is a little bit smaller. I think it has probably like 40 to 50 stalls. But since it is a smaller market, it's less touristy, and the prices are much cheaper here also.
I just saw the biggest chimney cake that I have ever seen, and I think we're gonna get one. This market was smaller, but we love not having to push through the crowds and wait in long lines for food. So far, I have noticed that this market is very kid-friendly. They have ice skating and little characters that the kids can see, and some really cute picture opportunities. They had some little rides in the beginning of the market, a little train and a carousel as well.
So this market had several other flavors of the mulled wine compared to the other markets. I got a blueberry one, and then I got Maria a sour cherry.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the blueberry. This cup is so funny. Okay. Yeah, you can taste the blueberry. Yeah, I like the cherry better too.
Yeah.
That's kind of why I wanted to try it second.
They also had a strawberry one, but I didn't get that one.
That's good. Very different than any of the other mulled wines we've had here so far. So I got the biggest chimney cake I have ever seen. Let's try. I hope it's as good as I was hoping. It's better than the one we had yesterday.
And this one was only about, I think, like €6.
Cheaper and bigger. After visiting the Advent Óbuda, we came over here to do the Fisherman's Bastion, and it is so beautiful. This place is one of the top sites to see here in Budapest, and it actually has a market, so we are going to check that out now. Behind me is a beautiful church, and it is called the Church of Our Lady of Buda. The best part of this market was the incredible surroundings. This market was located by the beautiful cathedral and offered nice views overlooking the city.
Okay, so now we have saved the best food for last. We finally got a langosh. This is a fry bread with sour cream and cheese. They had lots of other toppings that you could put on it, different types of meats, but we like to just keep it kind of simple. So we've been eyeing this whole weekend while we've been here, and now we're gonna give it a go. It's so hot and very yummy. So we're wrapping up our time here at this market, and we have really enjoyed visiting all of the markets here in Budapest. I think our favorite market was the St. Stephen's Basilica, just because it had the best selection of products and food, and also just had a really pretty, backdrop of the church, and the light show was really cool. I think the markets here in Budapest have the best selection of crafts and products. There's a lot of things that would make really good Christmas gifts for people, and we did buy several things too.
I did. I got these earrings actually here, and I bought those ceramic flowers and an ornament. So we got some good stuff, I think.
So the markets here in Budapest definitely do have a lot of different foods and different crafts and stuff compared to the markets that we've been to in Germany. Lots of different food, like they had the langosh and the goulash, and I think for me the langosh was my favorite.
I really liked the goulash in the bread bowl. It was so tasty. I mean, I'm still thinking about it. It was so good. I'm gonna have to get that for dinner tonight.
So another good thing is that all of the stalls took card, and so we didn't have to worry about getting a Hungarian forint from the ATM. We were just able to use our cards. One con is that we didn't really like the Glühwein very much here. Sorry, the mulled wine. I think Germany has the best mulled wine.
Yeah.
Although they did have some different flavors here. They had, but it still wasn't as good.
No, and they don't have the mugs. And I love the mugs. I don't always keep the mugs, but it's just fun having a cute mug, carrying around with the market on it, and just enjoying that as you're perusing the market. So that was one thing I didn't like, that they didn't have mugs.
Yeah, so many people collect the mugs, and that's kind of the whole reason why they go to the markets, is to find the different cute mugs, but they don't really do that here. They just do like the paper cups or plastic reusable. So thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to check out our channel for some of our other Christmas market videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.